Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 4943. The shape runs from the 6th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2020. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight. Does have deep scratches, suit track car. Right-hand DRL, right-hand fog light. Left-hand fog light. Unfortunately, not much has survived on this side of the vehicle. The rear spoiler. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Handbrake lever. Heater controls. Left-hand sun visor. Courtesy lamp. Right-hand sun visor. And the steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.